And then how much did you get even if you have 50 views? How much YouTube pay you? Hi guys, welcome back again to another beautiful day. It's me, Rosa Kachi, in the building. In today's video is very important. How do you make money on live video views? Yes, someone asked me how much did I make on live stream view. Did live stream view give good money like normal video? Yes, you may ask that question, and here I am with this amazing video that will give you breakdown on the live stream view. How did you make your money? And I am going to show you my desktop. Please watch it as I'm going to explain to you guys one by one. I have 23,000 views, and I want to show you how much did I make of YouTube paid me for 23,000 views on YouTube. If you are ready, please let's jump into the video. So now you have already jumped into the video. Let's go straight to our dashboard. Now this is our dashboard. Now as you can see here, this is our dashboard that we have 23,000 views that YouTube pay us. How did YouTube pay actually? Before going into this analysis, first thing first, when you go to YouTube, there is something that you need to put in your mind, that always have people to support you, which is called a fans base. When you have a fans base, YouTube is very super excellent with paying with the fans base. It means when people give you super chat, that is how you will get paid on the live stream. When people subscribe to your channel on monthly basis, that is how you will be able to make money on that fans base. Now, when you get a big fans that is supporting you on live stream with the super chats, that is when your money counts. Now, do you really get money when you are just live streaming and your live stream is on? Then views are there. And then how much did you get even if you have 50 views? How much YouTube pay you? It's not about creating a content. Let me put it in your mind. It's about creating a platform that people will love what you do. And then anytime that you come to live stream, you will get a good support on their side to appreciate your hard work. And for live stream, even if you go live stream 24/7, you will get views, and the advantages of it is that you will really have so much of subscribers. Anytime you go live stream, you will have at least 200 subscribers. Let me tell you, this my video is 2 months back. I always go live stream at the particular time. And do you know that the subscribers was so much? If you see how much this live stream take, you will really understand that the algorithm, the impression was super much. Many people are tuning in so much on this video. And many people are coming through the short feed. That is where your video has been pushed out. So anytime you do live stream, your video will be pushed out to the many audience, and they will join your live stream. First thing first you need to do before you go to live stream, you need to have a topic. Because when people come to your channel, they need to watch something. When people come to your channel, they need to benefit something. When people come to your channel, you need to give them something while they need to watch your video. Interactive content. You have a topic on your live stream that will engage your audience, and those people will really love what you do. Listen, that's why again I said, always come up with something that other people can learn from it. I don't know your niche. It's not the same thing with mine. You have your own way of approaching people. I have my own way of approaching people. If you want to get this massive outcome on your channel, or to grow your channel so quick, this is the best way that you can go to live stream, come up with the topic, talk to your audience. At the first place, it's not going to be easy. Yes, it's not going to be easy for your video to be pushed out to much audience like this. And if you can see now, you see that most of the people who come to this channel, there are so much. And if we check the engagement is well good at this place at this point. The engagement was super good. And if you check the audience, you will see most audience, they are adult. Most audience, they are coming to my live stream. Both male and female, they are coming to my live stream. And if you see this plate, it means that so many people, so many views, they are coming through that live stream. And that live stream really gave me a lot. Within a month, I have already reached to 8,000 subscribers in my second channel because I was doing live stream. You see now 18 people, visitors who are new, they are 18,000. Okay? So it means that whenever you go to live stream, people actually check your video. Do not think that no one is watching you. Everyone is watching you, okay? So as we go down deep to the revenue, did you guys see right here? You can see, since that time, let me put it to all the lifetime, okay? Lifetime, or let's say, since we start publishing this video, okay? So this video is generating every time. This is the total amount that YouTube pay. Can you imagine? Okay, let's go back. Now I tell you that how much YouTube pay me for this amount, right? So now let's see. So again now, let's check this video that is 19,000, okay? I checked before that 23,000. So let's check 19,000. How much YouTube been able to pay us with that amount. This is the amount that YouTube pay from that time till now. This is the amount I've been able to get, 19,000 views. Okay, so please, my beautiful audience, know that whenever you go to live stream, have audience, have people who support you. Only live stream, you go to live stream if you have an audience who can super chat you. So pray that God will bring to you someone who can help you with super chat and then help you with other things that can help you grow your channel. When you have an audience who will support you, that is how you will get money on YouTube, especially on the live stream. So if you don't have people who are supporting you, so when you go to live stream, please put it in the back of your mind that you are not gaining anything from there. Rather, you are just going to build your platform to get strong fans base, because that is where you will meet people. When you get a fans base, that is where you guys will communicate, you guys will relate and do other things. But apart from that, the best thing I can suggest to you is for you to always shoot your video and upload your video. Just imagine that 23,000 views. If it's a normal video, it's almost $30 or $40. But because it's live stream, YouTube does not pay much on live stream. And that's why you see it in that way. So I suggest to you to create your content, upload it, be consistent, and go to live stream once in a week because you want to have a connection with your audience. You want to really tell them the real time for them to feel you. So that is it, guys. I said let me share it with you guys so you will know and you will understand how much YouTube paid for live stream views. Nothing, absolutely nothing. So unless you have supporters who can support your live stream, then you will see that live stream is super good. But for you to grow your channel, go to the live stream and then you will grow your channel so fast. Thank you so much for watching till this moment. I really appreciate. Kindly make sure you like, share, subscribe. Leave your beautiful opinion in the comment section below. If you love this video, share it with someone who may need it. That's it for today. Thank you and God bless you. See you again in my next video. And bye for now.